Floating through the endless night, chasing stars beyond the light. Every sound a gentle wave carries all the peace I crave. Time dissolves, the sky turns clear. I feel your voice inside my ear, whisper soft like silver mist. We fade away, we coexist. The moment slows, I lose control. I let the rhythm take my soul. We drift eternal through the air. No beginning, we're just there. Every heartbeat, every sigh fades like light into the sky. Floating softly far from pain, and this calm will still remain. We drift eternal, lost and free in the sound of you and me. Shadows move and colors glow, memories from long ago. Every breath feels like a dream, flowing gently in between. The silence of the world stands still. My thoughts surrender to your will. We fall like rain into the sea, dissolving in infinity. The stars align above the tide. The night becomes our only guide. We drift eternal through the air. No beginning, we're just there. Every heartbeat, every sigh fades like light into the sky. Floating softly far from pain, and this calm will still remain. We drift eternal, lost and free in the sound of you and me. Close your eyes, don't be afraid. Let the silence serenade. Every fear begins to fade in the peace that we have made. We drift eternal side by side, through the storm and through the tide. Every second feels like new, every sound reminds of you. Floating softly far from pain, and this calm will still remain. We drift eternal endlessly in the sound of you and me. In the sound of you and me. Let it go, let it be, lost forever in the sea. Every wave, every lift carries us eternal trip. sky turns light, soft gold replaces endless night. The world exhales, the air is clear, a new beginning whispers near. I feel the sun against my skin, a gentle warmth that pulls me in. The breeze is calm, the silence kind, it wipes the shadows from my mind. I close my eyes, I let it flow. The dawn is speaking, soft and low. Whisper dawn, call my name, wash away the night's remains. Every breath, a spark of light, turning dark to golden bright. Whisper dawn, I'm alive. In your glow I will survive. Every dream the stars have drawn, I can hear them in your song. The world begins its gentle spin, new hopes awaken deep within. The clouds drift slow, the colors rise, painting fire across the skies. My heart beats calm, the rhythm slow. I let the current take control. The moment hums, I'm not afraid. The light becomes the love we've made. I lift my hands, I feel the air, a quiet peace that takes me there. Whisper dawn, call my name, wash away the night's remains. Every breath, a spark of light, turning dark to golden bright. Whisper dawn, I'm alive. In your glow I will survive. Every dream the stars have drawn, I can hear them in your song. Don't fade too fast, just stay a while. Your light becomes my reason, my smile. Every sound feels born anew, every hue reminds of you. Whisper dawn, light my way through the calm. I choose to stay. Every heart that's been withdrawn finds new peace in whisper dawn. Whisper dawn, I'm alive. Feel your warmth, I will revive.
The night is up, the air is slow. The ocean hums a song we know. I see your eyes beneath the stars. They shine like echoes from afar. The water moves, it pulls us near.
Your whisper melts into my ear. A quiet rhythm, hearts align. The moon reflects your soul in mine, and in this tide I lose the pain. The past is gone, love will remain.
Under moonlight, waves we fall. Nothing matters, no one calls. Every heartbeat slow and true. Feels like drifting close to you.
Through the silence, through the sea, you're the calm inside of me. Under moonlight waves we stay.
Love won't ever fade away. The stars are painting silver lines across the edge of your design. Every breath a gentle flame. The night repeats your sweetest name.
The world fades out, the noise is gone. In your arms I still belong. The moonlight dances on your face. The sea becomes our sacred place. So take my hand. Don't be afraid, this moment's ours. It's gently made.
Under moonlight waves we fall. Nothing matters, no one calls. Every heartbeat slow and true. Feels like drifting close to you.
Through the silence, through the sea, you're the calm inside of me. Under moonlight waves we stay.
Love won't ever fade away. Maybe the tide will pull us home. Maybe we'll find we're not alone. Every star above will glow like promises we'll never show.
Under moonlight waves we fall. Hearts collide, we feel it all. Every tear becomes a sea, washing pain away from me. Through the silence, through the blue, every thought returns to you. Under moonlight waves we stay.
Love won't ever fade away. In the dark, the light still says our love drifts on through moonlight waves.
City lights are glowing bright, painting stars across the night. Every step I take alone feels like home, but far from home. Reflections dance in silver rain. The echoes whisper your name and chase the silence down the street. What dreams and memories meet. And I wonder where you are tonight. Beneath the neon sky so bright. Under neon skies, I feel the rhythm come alive. Through the noise, I hear your voice telling me to just survive. Floating high, I close my eyes. feels soft and clear, like your heart beats still near. The world slows down, I lose control. The night reveals my hidden soul, and though the crowd begins to fade, I find the calm this city made. Every color paints my mind, leaving every thought behind. Under neon skies, I feel the rhythm come alive. Through the noise, I hear your voice telling me to just survive. Floating high, I close my eyes, lost between the lows and highs. In your light, I realize I'm still alive. Under neon skies, maybe love's a quiet sound in the dark, it can be found. Every color, every hue feels like I'm returning to you. Under neon skies, my heart begins to synchronize. Every light a memory, burning bright inside of me. Floating high, close my eyes, lost between the lows and highs. In your light, I realize I'm still alive. Under neon skies, neon skies will fade someday, but your light will always stay. When the city falls asleep, your memory is mine to keep. Morning light upon my face, the world begins its gentle grace. Coffee steam and amber skies, open hearts and open eyes. The quiet hum of a brand new day sweeps the darkest thoughts away. Every color starts to shine, every heartbeat falls in line, and I feel the rhythm rise inside, where dreams and daylight coincide. Let the morning glow take me slow through the fire, through the flow. Every shadow fades away when the sun begins to play. Let the warmth unfold, pure and gold. In this peace my hands I hold, every breath begins to show I'm alive in the morning glow. Gentle winds begin to speak of calm tomorrows that we see. The day ahead feels soft and kind, like a melody in my mind. Silver rays on city glass, time slows down, moments last. I find my rhythm in the breeze, the sound of calm, the soul at ease. The world awakens pure and white, with peace and love I cannot hide. Let the morning glow take me slow through the fire, through the flow. Every shadow fades away when the sun begins to play. Let the warmth unfold, pure and gold. In this peace my hands I hold, every breath begins to show I'm alive in the morning glow. Don't let it fade, don't let it go. The calm inside, the gentle flow. The world turns slow, the light will stay. I find my soul in a brighter day. Let the morning glow guide my way to a better, brighter day. Every color, every sound feels like love all around. Let the warmth unfold, pure and gold. In this peace glow. Soft waves call my name again. Footprints fading in the sand. Every whisper of the wind takes me where my soul began. The sunlight dances on my skin. I breathe the calm, I let it in. The ocean sings a melody, a song of peace and harmony. I close my eyes, I drift away. The world feels quiet, night meets day. I let the waves wash my mind, take me far from space and time. Floating free, endlessly, I'm alive with the ocean breeze. Let the stars light my way. Through the calm I choose to stay. Every tide sets me free. I'm alive with the ocean breeze. The moon reflects upon the sea, painting dreams for you and me. Every shadow starts to glow. The deeper currents pull below. I hear your voice inside the phone. It whispers softly, you're not alone. I follow rhythm, hard to wave into the peace that oceans gave. Silence speaks, I hear it call. The rise, the fall, I feel it all. Let the waves wash my mind, take me far from space and time. Floating free, endlessly, I'm alive with the ocean breeze. Don't wake me yet, I'm dreaming still. The sea is calm, the world stands still. In this place where hearts can heal, the water knows what words can't feel. Let the waves wash my mind, take me far from space and time. Floating free, endlessly, I'm alive with the ocean breeze. I fade into the morning glow. The ocean whispers, now you know. In this calm I find my peace, forever lost in the ocean breeze. The colors melt, the shadows sigh. We fade beneath the ember sky. The air is warm, the night is near. Your voice is all I long to hear. Every glow and every sound feels like peace I finally found. I close my eyes, I feel the hue. The sky is gold, it looks like you. Amber sky, don't fade away. Hold this warmth where dreams can stay. Every heartbeat soft and slow burns like fire, fades like snow. Amber sky, stay with me. Paint the love I need to see. Every tear and every sigh lives forever in the amber sky. The evening hums, the light is thin. I breathe your name and feel it spin. The city fades, the breeze is kind. The past is ours, I leave behind. The clouds turn red, the stars appear. Your touch still lingers, calm and clear. I find my heart, I find my flame. The world turns slow, but not the same. The sky ignites, I feel the call. We rise together through amber sky. Don't fade away. Hold this warmth where dreams can stay. Every heartbeat soft and slow burns like fire, fades like snow. Amber sky, stay with me. Paint the love I need to see. Every tear and every sigh lives forever in the amber sky. The light falls slow but never dies. The sun still lives behind my eyes. Every moment, every hue carries love that once was you. Amber sky, don't fade away. You're the song I wanna play. Every glow, every tone feels like home. I'm not alone. Amber sky, stay with me. whispers from the light they shed. The sky is wide, the world is slow. I drift where only dreamers go. My heart beats soft, the air is thin. I feel the calm beneath my skin. The night unfolds, the shadows gleam. I'm floating through a living dream. I lose myself, I start to glow, carried by a celestial flow. Celestial flow, take me high, where the stars in silence lie. Every breath, every sound pulls me closer to the ground. Celestial flow, I let go, through the light I start to grow. Every color soft and slow carries me in your glow. The moonlight hums a quiet tune. It fills the space between the moons. The air is bright, the sky is deep. The universe begins to weep. The constellations intertwine. A map of hearts, a grand design. I see your face among the stars. A love eternal, never far. The cosmos sings, I start to see. The light is love, it sets me free. Celestial flow, take me high, where the stars in silence lie. Every breath, every sound pulls me closer to the ground. Celestial flow, I let go, through the light I start to grow. Every color soft and slow carries me in your glow. Let me drift, don't pull me down. I'm weightless now. I hear the sound. The galaxies begin to spin. I feel the light come from within. Celestial flow, I am free, boundless as infinity. Every spark, every hue breathes the universe anew. Celestial flow, I remain, dancing softly through the rain. Every tone, every glow is the song I've come to know. The stars will fade,